Coach, mag-off the record ka rin ba? Mag-off the record ka rin ba? Parang si
Ano,
Coach Jeff.
off the record muna? Ano gusto niyo? Mas gusto nyo kasi yung mga off the record kaysa yung nakasulat.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the Adamson Soaring Falcons for beating the De La Salle Green Archers 61-60. We have here Coach Nash Rafela, Seb Manzano, and Matty Eraron. Coach, congratulations for this victory. The 6th win gave you a life for your final 4 chances. So what can you say about this game this afternoon? What can you say about this game after this intense game that you kept your final 4 hopes alive?
We're just happy to be still alive. No, we made it clear in the dugout that if we want to live another day, then we have really no choice but to win the game. I think from their end, Salazar, it's the same mentality that they have, no, because they're playing still UP. So this is the game that they would want to win. So sabi namin, in the end, it will just boil down to whoever wants it more. No, there were, again, it wasn't a perfect game. There were moments in the game that we weren't doing our part. We allowed them to get rebounds. We allowed them to be first on the ball. No, but towards the end, no, we made stops. We got the rebounds that we needed. No, si Mati, si Monty nung huli, kahit mas maliliit sila, they really battled it against those bigger players of LaSalle. No, and in the end, muntik pa nga, sabi ni Cedric, namuntikan pa tayo. But we're happy. We're thankful to the Lord for allowing us to taste victory today, despite that third quarter barrage.
Thank you, Coach Nash. So said, yeah, 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Intense ang laro, talagang hindi talaga bumita. Pero hindi kayo bumitaw hanggang dulo. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, may pag-asa pa kayo makarating sa Final Four? What can you say?
I mean, siguro thankful kami kasi siyempre may chance pa kami na makapasok sa Final Four. I mean, sa amin, hawak namin yung parang sitwasyon na hindi kami umaasa sa ibang team na matalo sila. So, masaya kami kasi may chance kami.
Thank you to Matt. You have 18 points, 5 assists, 1 rebound. So, eto nga, may chance pa kayo na makapwesto sa Final Four. So, ano yung mindset mo personally para yun nga, magkaroon pa kayo ng buhay na makarating sa top 4?
Siguro grab lang namin yung opportunity na to kasi past 3 years po ata yun yung parang gusto namin na place na yung playoffs. So in my 1 game pa hindi pa tapos. So bigyan lang namin yung best.
Thank you. Okay, the floor is open for question.
Coach, the past few losses parang medyo similar yung back and forth, hit-hitan. What do you think changed from your players na kumbaga nabago niyo yung result this time around?
We made the right place when we needed it the most. No, so we made stops. We converted on. Actually, those were tough shots. No, yung dalawa ni Monty. No, I remember when we lost to NU, Matty missed that free throw, no, which we could have won the game, but we never talked about it, no, Matty, no, we never talked about it. But kanina na technical yata sila, or we had a chance to put him in the free throw line. Na-shoot niya na, diba? So obviously nakalimutan niya na yon. He's already over that. So and that's the beauty of the sport, hindi lang basketball, no. Whatever happens previously, you win, you lose, you have a good game, you have a bad game, diba? The next day, fresh ulit yon. So today we did our part. Our players did their part. Kaya siguro kami, yun siguro yung nagbago, no?
Can you talk about lang po yung nangyaring kanina, third quarter?
So wala na. Wala naman. Sinabihan ako ni Phillips, tumahimik ka muna, coach. Yun lang naman ang sinabi niya. So parang, I was really surprised because he talks a lot about God. No, and all of a sudden, lumabas yun sa bibig niya. So, but I understand. That's a spur of the moment thing. No? So, emotion niya siguro yun. So, maybe he felt that that's what they needed to get the victory. No? So, okay, he'll siguro if ever, I don't know if he was wrong during that time or not, pero if ever he was, then I'm sure he will realize that. And he has his Lord to ask forgiveness for. Diba? So, lahat naman tayo pinagpapatawad ng Panginoon pag nagkakamali tayo. No? So,
Said, yun nga, na-mention nga din ni Coach si Mike, pero looking at the numbers, can you talk about guarding him na lang din? At this point, 1 of 12, yung depensa nyo na lang siguro kay Mike.
I mean, siguro kailangan namin, pag si Phillips may, pag nasa loob, kailangan namin siyang bantayan, parang tugay. Kasi alam natin yung yung athletic ni Phillips. So doon kami nagbe-base. So kailangan namin siyang, yung energy niya, sabayan namin yung energy niya kung gano'n siya ka-energy. So kailangan namin yung, basta ganun.
bahala ka na sa'yo.
Wala na yun. Pero pa mag-explain.
Coach, may isa pa kayong game against Ateneo. So, yun nga, may chance pa rin kayo dahil yun nga, hanggang di pa natatapos yung eliminations, may laban pa kayo. So, what can you say? Ano yung mindset ng team right now? So, chances na makarating kayo sa Final Four.
Malaki pa yung chance. Aware naman kami noon na pag natalo kami, tapos na kami. No? But alam namin, we're actually excited because I was looking at all the scenarios. There's a possibility that 5 teams will be tied sa 7-7. No? So, yun actually, doon ako na-excite. I don't know if it will happen. No? A lot of things ang kailangan mangyari. No? But again, we just have to take care of our own. No? So, today, we did. Buhay pa rin. So, we'll prepare for our next game Sunday. Against Ateneo. Ateneo is another team na is still fighting for that final 4 slot. So, yeah, maghahanda ulit. Ganun lang ang buhay.
Congratulations, Coach Nas.
Thank you.
And Matt.
Salamat.